Have you ever wondered why company insiders like CEOs or board members sell their stocks? It's a question that sparks curiosity among investors. Let's break down the most common reasons. 1. Personal financial needs. Insiders sell stocks for personal reasons. They might need cash for a big purchase like a home, college tuition, or medical expenses. 2nd. Diversification. Sometimes insiders want to reduce risk. If their wealth is tied up in one stock, selling helps spread investments across different assets. 3. Tax optimization. Tax planning is another reason. By selling stocks strategically, insiders can minimize taxes or take advantage of specific tax benefits. 4. Reduced confidence. In some cases, insider selling signals a belief that the company's stock might face challenges. They might sell to avoid potential losses. 5. Career or company changes. When insiders leave a company or expect big changes, they may sell their shares as part of transitioning. But here's the key. Not all insider selling is bad. It's essential to look at trends and combine this info with other financial data to make smart investment decisions. By understanding these reasons, you'll gain better insight into the market and make informed choices.